Okay, Josh, dim the lights in the kitchen, cut the music, and let's watch Black Mirror.
Right away.
The AI transformation has paved its way into our daily routine, and we couldn't be happier. Get the assistance you require and deserve with the top AI devices available today for people searching for practical answers to everyday problems. These AI-powered gadgets in this video are beyond clever. It's like having a personal assistant to help you with the activities you don't like, such as mowing the lawn. The finest AI gadgets can alter how you work, help you feel safer at home alone, and even improve your hearing without the need for a cumbersome hearing aid. Here are my top 10 picks. The first one we'll be looking at is the Mobboy AI Recorder. With the Mobboy AI Recorder, you can streamline your productivity. Its artificial intelligence-powered transcription system transforms voice into editable and shareable text. Even better, the dual microphone noise cancellation and sophisticated AGC algorithm greatly minimize ambient noise. You also receive high-speed data transfer via Wi-Fi. You may then transfer your recordings directly from the gadget to your smartphone. You can even transfer a 1-hour recording in under a minute. You'll also like having precise, automatic transcriptions for meetings. It even divides a lengthy speech into paragraphs. Even better, the neural machine translation function generates a transcript summary as well as keyword extraction. Furthermore, the long-lasting battery can be used for up to 10 hours and can be left on standby for up to 40 days. Finally, the high storage capacity and compact form of this AI recorder make it a useful work tool. Do you need some assistance around the house? The Samsung Bot Handy Domestic Robot might be just what you're looking for. Thanks to sophisticated artificial intelligence, this handy robot identifies and picks up things of various sizes, weights, and forms. In fact, this amazing robot can detect the various material compositions of items. In this manner, it grasps and moves things with the appropriate amount of force. While this home device is still under development, it currently has a single arm that pivots at 3 places, similar to a shoulder, elbow, and wrist. As a result, the Samsung Bot Handy Domestic Robot becomes a trustworthy companion for tasks such as sorting dishes and clearing up dirty spaces. It will undoubtedly find many applications in the homes of busy families. Say goodbye to poor hearing with the Signia Active Pro AI hearing aids. They are equipped with sound sensors that detect sounds automatically, allowing you to be alert at all times. They have high-definition prescription audio when they pick up sound. This is particularly useful for hearing discussions in a busy coffee shop. In fact, they will cut through any background noise to allow you to hear voices clearly from any direction. The best part is that this wearable technology employs artificial intelligence to improve sound in real-world scenarios. As a result, you will never again miss a critical announcement or conversation. Additionally, these AI hearing aids employ Bluetooth connectivity to link to your phone, TV, and other devices for listening to music, watching movies, and even taking calls. Finally, the Signia Active Pro has a 26-hour battery life on a single charge, making it suitable for all-day wear. Cleaning from floor to ceiling can be a little difficult, but the Hills Engineering Corobit antiviral disinfection robot can assist. This clever robot sterilizes itself with ultraviolet light and adjusts its height via a sliding mechanism. The Corobit, which is based on artificial intelligence, has a sophisticated multi-purpose platform that does 3D disinfection. It sterilizes instantly at high temperatures, allowing you to keep your space clean without coming in contact with surfaces. It sprays medications on walls at a pace of 1.2 meters per second using its AI platform. Its air circulator eliminates airborne germs and boasts 3D disinfection. This antiviral disinfection robot also includes a multi-jointed arm, making it simple to disinfect components. Finally, this AI robot cleans a variety of spaces, making it useful in a variety of situations. The Hex Home DIY security system provides intelligent protection for your home and includes optional 24/7 professional monitoring at a cheap cost. It easily sets up in 10 minutes with only 2 to 3 devices. Simply download the app, plug it in, and connect to Wi-Fi to get full home coverage. The Link smartphone app allows you to manage your house from anywhere and at any time. You may even modify the sensitivity settings to exclude dogs, robot vacuums, or insignificant motion such as a breeze blowing a curtain. Hex Home employs digital technology as opposed to conventional security systems, which rely on archaic technology. For complete coverage, its patented technology can wrap around corners and see through walls. It really emits waves that detect motion based on how much anything passing through them disturbs them. Finally, this exclusive technology reduces false alerts and only sends out relevant information. We spend a lot of our precious time and energy on removing unwanted plants. Well, we can now focus on important things and let a robot get rid of those unwanted plants. With the Yardroid intelligent landscaping robot, you can easily and effectively maintain your yard. Instead of following a random course, this smart gadget will mow your grass using AI to design its paths. It may also make attractive lines or patterns on the lawn. Yardroid may also spray water on plants and change the water pressure based on its closeness to the target. Furthermore, this clever landscaping robot can eradicate weeds in your yard. It can target just weed plants using its built-in camera to keep your landscape looking its best while you rest. Another amazing aspect of this garden tool is its ability to differentiate between pests and birds and animals. It will use a pesticide and a water cannon to scare them away. Yardroid does not need to be supervised and will even refill itself when required. Watch and film your favorite sports with the VO Sports camera. This smart camera records a panoramic picture of action on a soccer pitch using AI and dual camera technologies. In fact, the AI technology tracks the movement, so you don't have to change the camera to watch the game as it happens. This sports camera, in fact, has ball tracking, simulated pitch panning, and zooming in on specific players. It also has a 4-hour battery life and is suitable for all weather situations. Its water-resistant shell ensures that it will last even when it rains. And, for high-quality results, the lenses automatically adapt to the illumination. You can either carry it in your hands or buy a separate mount. Use the Bird Buddy smart bird feeder in your yard to observe feathered guests clearly with the built-in camera. You may then organize a collection that's easy to see and share, rather than unsuccessful attempts to befriend the birds up close. In fact, the app can assist you in recognizing the birds that come, allowing you to amass a collection of those in the area. And, due to its built-in microphone, Bird Buddy alerts you anytime a bird visits. As a result, you'll never be without its presence without having to leave your house. You also have complete control over the built-in camera. Furthermore, it is simple to replenish the smart bird feeder with food. You may also purchase attachments to securely connect it to a wall or fence. Keep your front door more secure with the Whoop Smart Anti-Theft Doorbell. It has AI facial recognition that sends you an alert when friends and family visit. This feature also notifies you of visitors who do not ring the doorbell. Also, the voice gender modifier allows older adults, children, and women to answer the door in a different tone of voice. Furthermore, adjustable motion sensors alert you when motion is detected, allowing you to protect your home using your smartphone. Furthermore, the HD video and infrared night vision features ensure that you can see all of the details at any time of day. What's more, this smart anti-theft doorbell has a built-in Wi-Fi amplifier in the chime that extends your internet coverage. That way, you can have quality images and two-way calls without a spotty connection. Finally, you have the option of either local or cloud storage.
Okay, Josh, I'm home.
Welcome home, Nick.
The music, and let's watch Black Mirror.
Right away. Music off. The lights are now dimmer. Now watching Black Mirror.
Fire. This hole's breached. Shield's gone. He's defenseless.